Hello and welcome. In today's episode, I'm going to show you a 988 square foot house. The footprint of this home is 26 feet by 38 feet. So it's just a hair under 1,000 square feet. And we're going to do this differently than I usually do. I'm going to show you the finished product. And so it's a little bit better that way, so you can get a better feel of the houses, how I design them and how they look. And by the way, I'm going to spin you in circles here through the most of the episode, so sit down so you don't get dizzy. But here's the main area. It's kind of open concept. That right there is a coat rack that you're looking at. It's kind of a weird, but I like how it turned out, so I'm going to leave it in there. And here is the kitchen view. So the table could be a little bit bigger, but at least you're sitting by the kitchen table and you're looking outside by the big window that you have, and everything is still kind of connected, so you got that open concept feel. The whole house, by the way, it is vaulted, so that what makes it look a little bit bigger. Here, see, that's the kitchen. It's not big, but it's functional. It has everything that you need, and you can definitely cook in it because you have enough counter space. And that pantry to the right that you see standing all the way up, you can always take that cabinet out if you wanted to and put in another window or make a bigger window. But I think for a small house, for a small kitchen, it's very functional. And that's the coat closet I was talking about right next to the front door over there. So this is the view from the living room. That's the master bedroom, and we're going to go in there in a second. And I'll show you how that looks as well. But see, the vault makes this it's a completely different look. You see where that trim is in the middle of the wall? That's where the ceiling would be if the house was not vaulted. So the house would look and feel completely different. So that's one of the first things you can do if you're designing a house or thinking of building one. Just put a simple, modest vault. It doesn't have to be crazy. 412 is usually the minimum you can do to keep your manufacturer warranty on your shingles and your roofing. So with a 412 pitch, you can still have a vault like this. And by the way, that would save you money because if you go with a steeper roof, that's where things get expensive. Those doors right there, the left one is for the washer dryer, and the right one is a closet, and that closet is about 4 feet deep. And this house will not have any kind of a furnace room, any kind of utility room, because it utilizes a mini split system. So it would have the cartridges, and the unit would sit outside, and basically there's no ductwork anywhere in the house. It would be a mini split system, and those things are awesome. And that's what's coming up, by the way, in our next build, the 720 square feet that I showed you a couple weeks ago. That house will have a mini split. I made that decision, and you'll see how that works and how much it is and all that stuff, like I usually show you on the channel. That's the master bathroom. And you can have an idea how this feels, and I'll show you towards the end of the episode a little bit different views, so you have an idea how all this comes together. But everything is vaulted. Even this little bathroom is vaulted. And you got a window there. The toilet is on that side, so when you do your business, open the window, everything goes out. Same thing if you take a hot shower, all the steam and everything, it can go out the window as well. And see a big mirror and a double sink. This is the other bedroom that's closer to the bathroom, and I'll show you that other bathroom as well in a second. So see, it's a little bedroom, vaulted as well, so it feels a little bit bigger. And you have the desk right there with the computer. That window is 3 feet by 5 feet, so it's an egress window. So that means in case of emergency you can get out, or a fireman can get in and save you. And you have two of them. I like windows. You can probably do this bedroom with just one window, but I like windows, so I put another one close to the closet. So I guess your clothes get some fresh air. And then to the right of that closet door, that's where the water heater is. And that door that you see open right there, you can put stuff behind it too, the way it's designed. There's a little bit space there. And see, this is the other bathroom. Both bathrooms have 5-foot tubs, so there's no gimmicks or anything. It's just a regular, this view is kind of funny, it cuts the walls, but it's just regular size bathrooms, regular size, the vanities, toilets, everything. So there's nothing that you have to special order. You can get it just off the shelf at Home Depot or Lowe's. No gimmicks, and that way you can keep the costs down of everything that you're doing. And see, look at that. You got a little storage under over the toilet. Same thing in the master. This is the other bedroom. And here I wanted to show that you could put a window there to looking into the outside area, what I showed you in the community tab, and we'll go to the outside here in a second. But it all depends for privacy if you're willing to put another window in there. So it would be your call, I guess. And that's the closet, a decent size. And same thing, if these are kids' bedrooms, they could be kids' bedrooms or they could be offices, whatever you want to decide. But you have a little room for a little desk so you can do your homework. And see, this is the outside area I posted in the community tab. Vaulted again. Keep in mind my software is super old. It's like 14, 15 years old, so it doesn't look very pretty, but you can use your imagination. And don't make fun of my posts because they didn't turn out right, but you can use your imagination. But 2 sofas and a fireplace outside that's covered, so you can enjoy the fire while it's raining outside, for example, or if it's a chilly day. And you have a lot of room on here, so you can fit quite a few people in here. So I think it turned out great. And there's that window I was talking about. You could erase that so you don't have to have it connected like this, but it's your call. And see, this is the little bit three-dimensional look, so you have an idea, so you can see stuff behind the walls and everything. I like this look. I don't know why. I just like the way it looks. Well, see, that's the open concept floor plan. That's the master bedroom. That is a king-size bed, by the way. And egress windows on both sides, just in case of emergency. You see that master bathroom right there? You can peek inside of it. That TV on the wall, everything is vaulted. See, now you can see the washer dryer. Do you see the stackable? Here's the other bed. See, by the way, the water heater in that one? That's the other bedroom. See, I like this view. It gets you a little bit different perspective on things. So this will be very affordable to build because it's just a rectangle. It's a simple layout. It's a rectangular house. So everything will be simple. That's the other smaller bedroom. Look at that. Closet space. Everything that you need. Maybe you can even make that closet a little bit bigger in this bedroom, but that's plenty. Everything is vaulted. Oh heck, maybe you can put a whole wall of windows in that bedroom to kind of look at that fireplace. And see, this is what I want to show you, the vault, a little bit more different view so I don't get you dizzy and spin the whole time. See, everything is connected. I like how this turned out. Who knows, I actually might build this at some point. I was actually surprised how well it turned out for such a small space, for 988 square feet. I mean, you can have people here sitting here in the sofa, watching TV, everybody's connected. I left the doors open so you can kind of peek. See, that's the master I was talking about with how everything is vaulted. You got your own TV in there. And see to the left, that left door, which you saw in the other black and white preview, that was the stackable washer dryer, and then the other door is just a closet. Egress windows, and king-size bed in this one. And that's the entrance into the other master bathroom with a pocket door, which I do not like pocket doors, but I mean, you can make that decision. That's the fan I wanted to show you, and that's the outside area again. And that fireplace obviously could look 100 times better, but you can use your imagination. This is just to show you what's possible to do this on a budget. And see, this is me just erasing the window. Or you can just put a big old window in there so you can look outside. It's your call, but different people, different preferences. It all depends what you like and how it feels to you. See, look at that. I mean, this would be a cool space to hang out. Maybe you can put a table here and just, you know, play some games and have some fun with a table if you don't want to put sofas in here, but possibilities are pretty much endless. It just all depends. And see, that's the master bathroom with a double sink. That's the other bathroom. Storage, vault everywhere. And that's the main area. And let's go outside so I can show you how it looks. There was the coat closet, TV. See, the fridge is right there, and you got a wall that's extending out a little bit, but it's not enough to make the door not open on the fridge. So you still want to leave it a little bit short so you can open the fridge door a little bit better. But that wall is there to hide the ugly side of the fridge, so you're not looking at all the cables and everything else. And this table could be a little bit bigger. And see, that's the outside. So look at that. Such a simple design. And you can make this look good however you want it, with a little front covered porch like I did with the first house I put on YouTube. So you can do that on a budget, and that's how the sides look. So everything looks good. I mean, you got plenty of windows. Beautiful. Thank you for watching.